Have you ever seen this type of math problem, that is phi divided by phi into phi? So here, using PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Here you have to remember multiplication, division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here division multiplication is there, so go from left to right. First we'll solve this part because both have equal priorities. So 5 divided by 5, which is 1, divide by 5 times 5. So 1 divided by 5, we can write this as 1 by 5 times 5. So cancel this, we'll get here 1.